team up, 7 on 6 on, by Dave Button, up on the stage, and in front of the stage, the young men and young women. And behind them, all the spectators, all the people of Villanova Culture who come out here to watch this performance of dances and other cultural, what should we call it, art. Except for Major, the Town Festival is as well, the 5th of August is our day. The rhythm is increasing, it's just wonder Dancing along the Culture, Major, Chris Hamilton and